Hello all, welcome back to Ma Gurukul. Thank you so much. After I released the video on the Facebook, alright, on the social media, I did get a very good response and I had a lot of questions from the parents, alright, like do I give any parental tips, do I give them worksheets so that they can make the children write. There are a lot of questions. Then there were a few parents who asked me how much should I teach my 3-year-old child, and there were parents who asked me to teach phonics. There were parents who asked me to teach abacus. Then there was a request for me to help them teach languages, that is Tamil, Kannada, reading and writing. Now I will try my level best to cater to all of your needs as much as possible, but I won't be supplying any worksheets for writing. So that is one thing which is clear from my end. And apart from that, language, again I won't be teaching languages. Yes, and there was one query which said that my son wants to, is very good till triple digit numbers, but then when it comes to 4-digit numbers he is not able to manage. So there are a lot of queries like this. Now I would like to tell one thing, that we will go with all of these slowly. As and when I release the videos, you will be updated about it, because I won't be able to make all of these videos at one shot, because it is of different age groups and of different requirements. But yes, I will try my level best. Yeah, there was another one about stories and puppet show for the children. Now I personally felt that if I start making videos for everything, then again indirectly I am asking the children to sit down with the mobile and keep concentrating or looking into the mobile, which I actually don't want to do. I want them to play more, and hence all my my stories will be only in the audio format. Please remember, I am repeating it again, all my stories will be in the audio format. I will be releasing one story per week. So in 1 week I might release two videos. The timetable of that also I might be updating to you shortly, because again I am telling you I might, because I am not very sure, because the requirements are varying across varied age groups. Now yes, all the subscribers who have already subscribed to Ma Gurukul, you have around 30 plus videos. I will just roughly read out what is available among the 30. We have drawing using number 1, drawing using number 2, drawing using number 3 for children, and coloring level 1 to 5 we have. So we have 4 categories in the drawing section. In math section, or under math section, we have a lot of playway methods there. Sequences, that is learning sequence, sequential counting, that is 0 to 10 and so on, and what comes in between, what comes after, and what comes before that one. We have Math Made Easy addition, Math Made Easy subtraction, Math Made Easy subtraction by borrowing, Math Made Easy multiplication, Math Made Easy division. So these are the ones which I have already made in mathematics. And yes, for Montessori learning I have made spooning activity and initial activity for initial concentration of the child, spooning, graining, sorting, stringing. So these are the Montessori ones which I have made it for you. Under language, that is under English, I have given you one vocabulary book. Yeah, so let me go forward. For English, I have not started with phonic sounds yet, but then I have started with helping children recognize the alphabets with tactile learning. Then making a vocabulary book, that is A to Z vocabulary book, because I always feel before they start learning the sounds, it is also essential for them to learn a lot of vocabulary words, right. So these activities are already available in the YouTube channel, you can go through that. Then oh yes, bindi pasting and activity for initial learning, and components of learning. Now I would request all the parents to go through my first video. Of course it is not very good in a good alignment, but then this components of learning is something which is very essential for the parents to actually learn, actually know that where is the graphomotor skill, I mean which level of learning does the graphomotor skill or the writing skill comes. So for that we have this components of learning. I would request you to go through that video first and then the rest of it according to the age of your child. Alright. Yes, in Telugu and Kannada there are already 3 videos which I have already translated and made. The rest of the videos I will be making it again fresh because I am not able to re-edit it, re-edit certain videos now. It's taking a lot of time for me. Then yes, there were few parents who asked me these following questions. How to handle children with the screen time, I mean how to reduce the screen time for children or reduce their mobile addiction. Then the second one was how to occupy the children continuously for 1 hour or 2 hours so that they can do their online work. Then the third one being how to manage their temper tantrums. The fourth one being one of the child is probably writing or scribbling too much on the wall, so is it good or bad. And the fifth one being, yes, one child is not having or is having problem with eating whatever the mother is making, the child is not finding some taste in it or whatever, and hence the mother and the people in the house are spending so much time to put some kind of good food into the child. So how to help that child or how to help the mother. And oh yes, I had a request on cooking videos. So there were a few of my friends who liked my cooking in various states where I have stayed. So there was a request for me to show my typical, my signature dal. Cooking videos as of now I won't be making, because whatever your children will be liking, we will make it, but not currently, not as of now. So yes, and then there were a lot of parents who asked for parental tips, that parental guidance, how to teach, when to put the child to sleep, how to manage the sleep patterns, how to manage the reading and writing skills. And oh yes, I forgot, there were around 3 or 4 parents who asked me, is online learning safe for children, for preschoolers? Yes, so this I think should be a major topic. So I will be making a special video only on these particular topics. So when I make the parental tips videos, I will choose only one particular topic and I will be talking only about that particular topic. And yes, I think by next week, by July 1st, I would release my audio story along with Math Made Easy to help the children learn sequence through playing. The parental tips I will be releasing in the July 1st week. Alright, especially whether online learning is safe for children, yes or no. So to that question I will be making a video for all of you. Till then, please do like, share and subscribe. Once you subscribe, go through my videos and do tell me or do ask me as number of questions. Play-Doh is worked out very good for a lot of parents. There are quite a few parents who told me that it is keeping the children occupied and it is easy to make and the children are loving it. So I would request you to go through that also, the Play-Doh which is made with kitchen ingredients. I hope I have not forgotten, because I had written it down. I usually go impromptu without reading, I mean without going through or without writing things. But then this time I thought I shouldn't be missing, because there was a lot of things, lot of around 30, 40, around 30 plus videos and a lot of topics. So yes, so that's it from Magurukul. Again, so keep informed, keep me informed, keep me posted in the comment section of Magurukul, and do like and share and subscribe if you like it. Thank you so much. Signing off, Shweta from Magurukul.